Welcome to our tiny Indian kitchen, where we're creating a beautiful tricolor kulfi inspired by the colors of India. Simple ingredients come together to create three beautiful layers of creamy Indian kulfi. Fresh pistachios are cleaned and prepared for our fragrant green kulfi layer. A little cardamom brings the unmistakable aroma of traditional Indian kulfi. The heart of the kulfi begins with rich milk. Slowly reducing the milk concentrates its richness and gives kulfi its signature creamy texture. Sugar and fragrant cardamom are added, creating a The first layer gets its golden saffron color from delicate. The center layer stays beautifully creamy and white, carrying. Finally, crushed pistachios transform. The first golden layer is carefully poured into the miniature molds. Next comes the creamy white layer. The final pistachio layer. Now the little molds are chilled until After setting, the kulfi is gently unmolded. The tricolor kulfi is finally plated, bringing together. And here it is, our beautiful Indian tricolor kulfi, creamy.